Here we go, guys. Yeah, it's true. It's all gold's fault. It's all gold's fault that we have a fiat currency. Now, listed below are the five properties of money. Okay. Scarcity. How rare is it? Portability, the ability to be able to transport it. Durability. How long can it last? Divisibility. Can you split it up? Recognizability. How easy is it to be, forged or faked? And as you can see, gold does check off, a couple of these, but not all, in comparison to Bitcoin, for example. Okay, scarcity. Do we really know how much gold is out there? I mean, when's the last time that Fort Knox has been audited, for example, here in America? Or does any other country out there keep a true third party audit for their citizens to see? Because it's their tax money that's buying the gold. Also, how much gold have they estimated that's still in the ground or even in the ocean? Okay, we don't know any of those numbers, quite frankly. And then portability, be able to transport it. If you're dealing with more than a few ounces, it's going to be pretty, labor intensive to transport gold to any location outside, your metroplex, for example, your city. Durability, yeah, we'll give a check mark to go for durability, obviously. The visibility, up to a point, if you have, tenth of an ounce, coins, that's great. But anything larger than that, you're going to start hauling in bars of it, bricks of it, what have you. And then, if you're down to it, you might have to try to shave off a few grams or what have you at your neighborhood grocery store or market to be able to make any type of purchases. So that's looking at the main properties of money. Gold does, not really add up in this modern day and time to be a reliable and valid source of money, currency. And then we take a look at Bitcoin, and yeah, why not? Scarcity, only 24 million. They're not going to mine anymore, make any more. Portability, the ability to transport it. Only thing you need is a personal phone, computer, whatever, with a Wi-Fi connection, and you're set up. Durability for it to last. It'll last forever so long as you keep your Bitcoin or crypto on your own wallet off the exchanges, obviously, and keep your seed words protected. And divisibility, Satoshis. I mean, each Bitcoin is made up of 100 million Satoshis, so it's able to be divisible. Recognizability, all you need to do is enter the Bitcoin public address, the one you were paid into the public blockchain browser to make sure it's authenticated. Okay, it's real. And on a side note, after the 2024 halving, Bitcoin stock to flow ratio will be higher than any other asset in the world. But for further, verification, reliability of this information, let's go to the charts. That's where it's really broke down and can be explained well. All right, guys, as you can see on this chart, this is the monthly chart of gold versus the money flow. Okay, how much money is coming in into the economy, how much is being printed. And as you can see, gold is going down since, go back, see, that was the top of the chart. Since 1980, the price of gold versus the amount of fiat currency being printed has been going down, okay, in value actually. And silver, same with silver. Let's see when that is. Yeah, 1979 was the peak, and then it's been going down ever since. Let's look at the S&P 500. Actually, the S&P 500 has been actually doing pretty well versus the inflow of money, fiat currency into the system. Peaked around 2000, but still has come down. Now let's look at Bitcoin. Has been rising. We're not past our all-time highs yet, but as you can see, it's a big difference between Bitcoin and gold or any other commodity out there versus the fiat currency, how much is being printed. So just something to think about. and research on your own and see that Bitcoin will be, it has been for the last 14 years, in our opinion, it will continue to be, outproducing and being a better value than any other asset out there. Thanks for watching, and we will see you on the charts.